I plan on investing $1,000 into my Robinhood account to buy these stocks. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be going over the top 5 stocks to buy in May of 2021. These are the best stocks to buy based on growth expectation, reports, and market research. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'll be investing $1,000 into these 5 stocks, and then in a month or so, I'll be doing an update to tell you guys the results, whether or not that these stocks were a good buy or not. Before I get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. This video did take a couple of hours of research, and I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe and like this video. Coming in at number 5, we have Apple. This is not a big surprise considering the tech giant have a market cap of over $2 trillion and is one of the largest companies in the world, and have also became a household name. As you likely know, Apple is the creator of the iPhone, the iPad, Mac computers, and so much more, with the iPhone representing the vast majority of the company's revenue. The company had a strong start to the year, but gains fluctuated in late January and again in late February, bringing the stock down to what many believe is a discount. There's a good reason to this belief. During the fiscal first quarter of 2021, the revenue grew across all categories of Apple, including the iPhone, as the iPhone revenue came in at $65.6 billion, not only beating analysts' expectation of $60.33 billion, but showing incredible growth over the $55.96 billion reported in the first quarter of last year. With the iPhone representing the lion's shares of the company revenue, this is a very exciting metric. Similarly, other categories including the iPad, wearables, home accessories, and services all show a positive increase in revenue. It's these incredible stats that form the bias for the overwhelming positive analyst opinions on the stock. Out of 26 analysts covering Apple stock, 19 rated a buy, 5 rated a hold, and 2 rated it sell, with an average target price of $150.75 per share, representing the potential for more than 25% gain. At this time, according to the New York Post, Apple may soon be releasing its new iPad Pro, which can act as a major catalyst, pushing prices higher after the recent tech sell-off. And that is why Apple made it to our list of the top 5 stocks to buy in May of 2021. Another household name on the list is Walt Disney. Even if you have never been to Disney World or Disneyland, you have likely grew up watching Mickey Mouse or other Disney character bouncing around your television screen. When it comes to investing in this company, there are 2 main reasons you might want to consider diving in. First is the COVID-19 recovery. The Walt Disney Company felt quite a pain due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Without consumers wanting to travel, theme park, hotel, and cruise line have been struggling. The company's theme park and travel attractions are open, but only at a 35% capacity. However, vaccines are being widely administered, and growth in cases have slowed significantly, suggesting that COVID-19 won't be stopping consumer travel plans much longer. Around the world, consumers dream about going to Walt Disney theme park, and considering the state of the COVID-19 pandemic, demand is most likely to boom ahead when capacity restrictions are relaxed, leading to a significant rebound. The second reason is the streaming services. One of the drivers in Disney's recent stock growth has to do with its activities in the streaming entertainment space, which it knocked out the park. The current stock price is below $200. Between a likely recovery in the Walt Disney travel-related business and incredible growth in the company's streaming entertainment business, it is an ideal option for you if you're looking to buy a stock with a bright future and big return in the form of profits. Another stock we were really excited about is NextEra Energy. While you may not know the name of NextEra Energy, you likely know the name of 1 or 2 of its subsidiaries, which provides electricity to millions of homes and businesses across the US combined. It is the largest publicly traded utility company in the world, with a market cap of over $141 billion. The stock price is currently less than $100, but that won't be for long. As you must already know, utility stock has been a safe bet from historical perspective. Not only is growth in this category easy to predict, the vast majority of strong investment opportunity in the category pays significant dividends. However, the simple fact that NextEra Energy is a massive utility company isn't enough to make it this best of list. It mainly focuses on renewable options instead of nuclear power plant, making it a safer and making it a cleaner, environment-friendly option. Today, the company is the world's largest producer of clean, renewable wind energy, and it plays a major role in the U.S. solar energy industry. Next era energy investment in clean energy infrastructure are likely to pay off in a big way, making this stock one for the watch list. You have probably shopped at Target, but there's so much more to it than what's offered on the shelves. Trading it at around $205, there's no doubt that Target is having a better year than last. During the peak of the pandemic, it lost a lot of market traction. That was especially due to online retail giant like Amazon. Nevertheless, it had made the decision to direct funds towards setting up its e-commerce section. In fact, it recently announced that they will pour $4 billion into that project a year. That will translate into 40 stores a year, distribution centers, package storing hubs, and new technologies. With all this in the works, it's likely to become more profitable, which will push the stock price through the roof. Altogether, this has not been a bad year for the stock, as it has increased a 16% increase year to date. It is forecasted to further spike, and as such, you should keep your eyes fastened on Target this month and beyond. And finally, we have our number one stock to buy. It is Floor & Decor stock. It is no surprise that the housing-related retail stock has been market leaders over the last several weeks. Floor & Decor has benefited from consumers invested in their home throughout the pandemic. The stock price of Floor & Decor holding is less than $115. Over the past 3 quarters, earnings have grown by an average of 42%. However, many analysts believe that the earning growth will continue. Full year earnings per share is seen jumping 29% in 2021 and swelling by a further 22% in 2022. They are basically Atlanta-based retailers that operate 133 warehouse and 2 design center stores across 31 states at the end of the 4th quarter. They specialize in hardwood tile, wood and natural stone flooring. Floor & Decor also offer decorative accessories and installation services. Back in February, it reported Q4 results that top views. It opened 5 warehouse stores during the quarter. It's expected to open 7 stores among this quarter, driven by strong transactions and broad-based regionals and category growth. Their fiscal 2020 4th quarter comparable store sales increased by 21.6%, the strongest quarterly growth of the year. This makes Floor & Decor stocks an ideal investment option, and one of the major reasons why this tops our list of the 5 stocks to invest in May 2021. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 5 stocks I just stated to buy in May of 2021. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with more content coming out soon. I plan on posting way more consistently, and thank you guys for watching.